All right, so we've been talking a lot about weddings. We're going to keep the theme going. How about some wedding etiquette?
Okay, this is such a good one. Here to answer your questions is etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Hi, Elaine.
Glad to be here. From California.
Yeah, we were kind of saying that weddings can bring out the drama, can make people feel. Is it the stress? What is it?
It is. It's the stress. It's the combined. It's the family thing.
Yeah.
You know, family is already crazy just to get to start with. But then when you add a big event, a lifetime event, then that's when people can get a little bit icky.
You know, that's where you really need to break those ties.
Can you negotiate, not to interrupt you, can you be like, yo, you keep the pet, I'll keep the Netflix password?
You can do that. You can
You know what I'm saying? Can you negotiate?
Yes, you can definitely
All right.
negotiate. But definitely with the passwords, cut it off completely.
Yeah.
Don't drag that into the new relationship. I got my old boo's password.
Right. No, you don't need that.
Here to teach us how to be on our best behavior is author and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine! Okay, girl, I got so many questions for you. So let's get to it. So if the host says, you're going somewhere and the host says, don't bring anything, what do we do?
Then don't bring nothing.
Okay.
Leave it at home because, you know, the hosts, they prepare the meal. They know what they want to serve, and they really don't want you to infringe on whatever it is they're preparing. So your presence is the present for the host, okay? Keep that in mind.
We spoke to lifestyle and etiquette expert Elaine Swann, and here's what she had to say.
And the folks we should keep in mind are those individuals who really help to make our life easy throughout the entire year.
Let's talk about these. You mentioned friendship rules. I want to know what those are.
Yes. Explaining to your child there's a difference between close friends and being friendly. Now, the close friends are the ones that your child's going to spend time with. But that being friendly is maybe the person that they don't know so well, or maybe they don't quite like them. Helping them to understand that not everyone is going to be your best friend, but we still should be friendly to all people. This is something that I think is really important because that's what the world looks like. That's what our workplace is. We have coworkers where we think like, you know what, I cannot deal with her today. But you still have to be friendly.
What are you talking about, Elaine?
And so this is something, so activate those friendship rules.
Etiquette would dictate that chivalry is gender-free.
Elaine Swann is an etiquette expert and founder of the Swann School of Protocol in Carlsbad and says the Me Too movement has affected today's work culture and the way men behave around their female colleagues.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Elaine Swann.
Oh, wow, that is beautiful.
Yes, like a swan.
Elaine, I am Kevin.
Very nice.
Good to meet you.
So that is not a proper greeting. All right. I'm an etiquette expert.
Lifestyle and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine, you're here to solve our problems.
Oh, my goodness, yes. So problems do happen this time of year.
It's about to get real in relationship court. Etiquette expert Elaine Swann lays down the law. Coming up right after this. All rise. Etiquette expert Elaine Swann is presiding, and she's ready to make her rulings in Hoda and Jenna's Relationship Court Etiquette Edition.
All right, here's how it works. We've got some folks here who are having a disagreement in their relationships. Each person will present their side of the case, and then Elaine will issue a final ruling along with some advice.
Yes.
You ready, Elaine?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Lee.
So here's what I'm thinking. All right, etiquette would dictate that in the business environment, when you're traveling, you do not have to hang out with your coworkers. That's not something you have to do. However, this is a friendship, all right? And so with friendships, there's certain things. In this instance, I'm actually going to side with Audra. And here's why. Listen, Dana, it's important for us to nurture our friendships. And if you go at home and you want to rest at work trips, when do you have time to spend with your friend, right? So take a moment to spend with Audra. But Audra, you have to cut her a little bit of slack, all right? She cannot do everything with you. Maybe just one thing. So Audra, I'm going to rule for you. However, with that caveat, give her some grace.